Let's see if we can get this done. I'm here with Commission Chairman David Austin, and you're kind of playing MC and whatever on this, I guess.
Yes, this is my third year, and this is probably one of our most successful. The weather cooperated with us tonight. In the past, it's been freezing cold, and last year it had storms and rained us out, but this year God came around with the weather, and this is absolutely